Hi, my name is Maria, and I'm going to be talking about how Khan Academy reflects a new teaching method called the flipped classroom. Through the increasing use of technology, this new teaching pedagogy has gained popularity and has completely changed the way students assimilate knowledge. Traditionally, we have seen teachers lecture in class and assign practice problems as homework, but in a flipped classroom, online video lectures are assigned as homework and active practice problems are done in class. Through the use of online video lectures, teachers are able to open up more time for practice in classrooms, make sure students come to class more prepared, and allow students to apply knowledge accurately and with immediate support. One way teachers can begin to flip their classrooms is through Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers free content on a variety of subjects teachers can share with their students to learn at home. In addition, Khan Academy serves as a valuable tool to not only administer video lectures, but also interactive worksheets and online quizzes. This week, for example, I completed an online lesson on analyzing limits graphically for AP Calculus AB. Accessing this lesson was fairly simple. On the Khan Academy homepage, you can find a tab on the top left where a drop-down menu displays different subjects once it's clicked. The menu is split by subjects such as math, science and engineering, and arts and humanities, and you can access different courses right below the subject name. Once you click on your desired course, the website will direct you to a new page where it displays several lessons. Each lesson contains its own specific videos along with worksheets and quizzes. In addition, if you randomly leave a lesson, the website will let you know where you left off once you return. All video lectures can be paused and rewind, and students are able to take as much time as they need on each video. Worksheets and quizzes provide immediate feedback and are beneficial when practicing at home. Through online lectures, students are able to take their time learning new concepts as well as prepare themselves for active practice in class. Active learning is essential to comprehending the most difficult subjects, and by eliminating lecturing time from class time, students are able to practice in groups and get the support they need. From his research, Jacob Lowell states students benefit from coming to class more prepared when compared to standard textbook readings. In addition, his findings reveal that performance had increased by 21% on exam questions. By coming to class already familiarized with that day's content, students are able to apply their knowledge in class and ask questions when needed. Teachers are able to provide students with one-on-one support, and students that are more comfortable with the new material are also able to assist by helping their peers and reinforce their own knowledge at the same time. By flipping the traditional setting in which practice takes place, students are able to actively apply their knowledge in a supportive and responsive setting. In the future, if I were to teach algebra, I could incorporate Khan Academy into my class to practice the flipped classroom method of teaching. I would assign video lectures for homework as well as online quizzes and require students to show proof of completion for class credit. I understand that converting to a flipped classroom may become difficult sometimes, and students might struggle with accessing video lectures and completing the online quizzes. For this reason, I would suggest students to access the assigned videos at school if they do not have access to them at home. But in this media-saturated world, this is becoming less and less of a problem. In class, students would be suggested to work with groups while doing practice problems and be encouraged to ask questions when needed. In addition, students who were not able to complete online lessons before class would be required to complete them while their peers practice in class. Through the use of Khan Academy, we are able to see how new teaching pedagogies have blended learning practices, fusing both online and active learning components that allow students to learn at their own pace, engage in active learning, and receive closer support from their teachers and peers.